how to fix can't connect to the camera problem. So if you want to fix can't connect to the camera problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps, then go with manage apps. And here you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find camera application, or you can go with your search and search for camera. Tap on camera, then tap on force stop, which will be in the bottom left. Once you tap on it, you can go with OK. And now you need to go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the bottom again, and then tap on OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can go with your app permissions. Under your app permissions, you need to make sure that you allow the camera permission and your microphone, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos. After allowing your permissions, you need to go back and then restart your device. And your problem will be fixed, which is can't connect to the camera. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.